What is it, Ez? What is it?
Egg.
An egg? Is it like a pumpkin egg?
Egg.
A pumpkin egg. Is it covered with Play-Doh?
Let's see what's done.
What is it?
Wow, what is this? A monster truck?
Is that a Batman monster truck? Okay, let's see what else is in there first. What else is in there?
That's a monster truck.
Yeah. What else is in your surprise egg? Ooh, what's that?
Wow,
What is that? A little beetle car? You can open this like this. Look. What's in there? Is that from Finding Dory? You want to open these? Who is that?
That's Cameron.
Ian.
What is monsters?
See what's in them? These? What's in it?
Let's see what's done.
What is that? Oh, look at that. It's a little puppy, or maybe a jackal. What's in this one? Who is that? It's Winnie the Pooh. It's a minion.
It's a
Ez, what's in here? You can open that too. Is that a mummy? Who is that?